Hey guys, this is Mama Made. So today I'm going to show you how I make my sugar-free chocolate shake. So I drink this almost every day for lunch, not every day. I've been doing this for like probably 3 years, and I really enjoy to have this for lunch. Sometimes I'll snack on a few other things, but it's sugar-free. It can be low carb, and some people won't like that I use sugar-free pudding. So if you don't like the fact, then you can just not make it. But I'm going to show you. I don't have a problem with it. So this is what I use. I really like to use oat milk, but you can use almond milk. Almond milk has less calories, and it is definitely, I think it might be 0 carbs or like 1 carb, but lower carb definitely for almond milk. Oat milk just makes it a little bit creamier. You need sugar-free pudding, and then you also need cream cheese. The sugar-free pudding, you can use regular pudding as well. I use about 1.5 tablespoons of the pudding mix, and that will get you 3 uses out of 1 box, and then the cream cheese is like 2 tablespoons. So you're going to need to get out your blender, and I add 8 large ice cubes. If you have an automatic refrigerator where it makes the own ice, you might need to add a little bit more because homemade ice cubes are a little bit bigger than the ones that your freezer actually makes. Add about 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. And then you want to add your almond milk or your oat milk. I've actually even made this with regular milk. And with the almond and the regular milk, it's a little bit icier. And if you use oat milk, it's a lot creamier. And I feel like it just tastes better with oat milk. But either way, it tastes fine. And then I just use the sugar-free chocolate pudding. I like Aldi's. I feel like it tastes better than Walmart's. You could use vanilla if that's your thing, but I really think the chocolate just tastes better, but that could be a personal preference. So definitely lower carb and lower calorie if you use sugar-free. So I just eyeball it. I do about 1 full tablespoon, and then I'll just stick it in there and like level out about a half. And like I said, you'll get 3 shakes out of 1 pudding box. And then you just need to put your lid on and blend. With the oat milk, it stays creamier, but a lot of times the almond milk or regular milk will kind of like stick a little bit. So you have to turn your blender off and shake it to get the ice, I guess, to unclump. But I never have that problem when I use oat milk. So if you can't tell, I think the oat milk is just so amazing. Can go ahead and just pour this in a glass and drink it straight away. It's good like that, really. You could drink it with a straw or just drink it like normal, but I like to pour mine in a bowl and stick it in the freezer. I'll make this like 2 hours before we have lunch. Stick it in the freezer, stir it after about an hour, and it like freezes and gets almost like a frosty consistency. Guys, this is so good. I feel like I'm eating a treat every day at lunch. And with the oat milk, it's about 200 calories. And with almond milk, if you use regular full-fat cream cheese, not the Nufital stuff, I think it's like 100 calories or 120. So there you go, guys. That's how I make my shakes. They're not glamorous, but they are amazing. If you try this, let me know what you think. Do you like it? I'm used to these. Like I said, I eat these almost every day for lunch, but I've been telling you guys I'm going to share with you how I do it, and I just keep forgetting. So here you go. Here's my low carb, sugar-free chocolate shake.